You know where you are? This is Peculiar Hair and Style. Hey my lovely friends, I trust everyone is doing pretty cool. Yes, you know where you are? This is Peculiar Hair and Styles, where you see the latest in hairstyles trend around the world. Yes, sometimes you will get to see tutorial on how to achieve some of these styles. Hairstyles like twisting to cornrows, natural hairstyles, braiding for adults, kids and more. So if you enjoy what we do here, you can support us by making sure you like and comment on our video each time you finish watching. Share this video out to your family and friends, okay? And make sure you put the bell notification to all so you don't get to miss anytime we upload a new video. You will be the first to watch. Yes. So guys, stay tuned. I will be sitting right here and watch this video from beginning to the end with you guys. Yes. So my amazing and gorgeous friends, in today's video you are watching top 100 best and beautiful ponytail braid hairstyles. Yes guys, styling your cornrows or wrapping up your braids in a ponytail style is practically pretty. Ponytails can be worn high or low, depending on your preference and hair length. However, high ponytails with straight path lines are lighter and can cause more tension or stress on the scalp, which can result breakage and damage. So my friends, if you want a protective ponytail, I would advise you to go for curved path line or any other path line apart from straight path lines, okay? Rocking your braids in a ponytail form will always give you that stunning look. You can choose to rock your ponytails in a large braids with small cornrows details in between. You can also choose to wrap up your braids in a ponytail style to form a bond. Just go ahead and do what you are comfortable with, guys. Ponytail styles is also a good option for summer hairstyles ideas. If you are looking for a style that will help you pull your hair away from your face and neck, ponytail hairstyle is a great option, okay? if you're looking for a style to wear out, maybe you have an event around the corner, or church activities, or party, whatever it may be, ponytail hairstyle is a great option. Just give it a try, okay? Here you can see a lot of amazing way you can style your ponytail, even though you are having braids, box braid, whatever it is. You can also have the opportunity to style it up in a ponytail style. Yeah, keep watching. Just get inspired with all the amazing styles. If you are still watching to this point and you haven't liked this video yet, go ahead and like this video, guys. Comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done that already, okay? These styles give you the opportunity to create any design details on your hair. So just go ahead and explore all the designs and styles, okay? I appreciate you all for watching, guys. You guys are the best. So all these styles can be achieved with hair extension, okay? You can as well try them out without hair extension. It depends on your choice. So just go ahead and explore with any type of hair extension of your choice, or any color as well. You can also slay this style with any hair accessories of your choice, beads, earring, and more. I hope by now you are inspired with all the amazing ponytail hairstyles and you have already made your choice or your selection. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Enjoy watching. If you do, don't forget to like this video before you leave. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Here comes the end of today's video. I'm going to see you all on my next one. Till then, continue taking care of yourself. Keep loving yourself. I love you too. Bye.